Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
It's time to wake up.
The port side of the boat, starboard side. So this is your RPM.
Hope it's just gonna be whatever we can get out.
This engine has a gremlin. We've had to bypass it.
77, we're clear.
That's irritating.
Yeah, that's the first time I've...
This is what you don't do. It's not like we're killing it and leaving a massive wake.
No, we're not leaving any wake.
Yeah.
Hull over Canal Bridge, hull over Canal Bridge, hull over Canal Bridge. This is SV Calypso approaching from the north, over.
Hull over bridge.
Yes, sir. We're requesting an opening.
Roger, Captain. Just keep it coming. When you get close enough and traffic clears, I can open.
Copy. Hi, Reese. I'm up here just hanging out.
I know.
Yeah.
Water. Look, you see the water? Yeah, you want to watch the bridge open?
Open.
You can wave to the windows up there. Look up there, wave. That's cool, right? They give you a honk.
So this huge building over here, it's on Cape Canaveral, and that's where they build the rockets for NASA.
These are constant wear inflatable life vests. And what we want to look for is, this is Brittany's. We want to look right here, and if it is green, that means the CO2 cartridge is good. If it is red, it either is leaked or someone deployed it, which we would know that. And then we just have a replacement CO2 cartridge in our safety bag for both the vests. Oh, they're there right there.
Well, hello there. Right now, get that focused. I am in the galley cooking. I made breakfast, but I'm preparing pasta salad now so that I can put it in the fridge and it's cold by the time we have our beer brats tonight and our grilled corn. Show ya. It also produces beautiful Magna pot set as well. So cooking underway produces heat. In the summer, not so fun. In the winter, when it's like 36 degrees out, lots of fun. Keeps it warm. Lots of fog on the windows. I'll give you a shot of that. Foggy windows. So you know it's pretty darn warm in here. And I'll take you through the cabin on the port side. This is our area that we are kind of living in. Here's the bath, or the head. Really nice sized head. Lots and lots of storage in here. More storage. Yes, this is all Brittany's stuff. A lot. Something really cool about this head is the faucet comes off, turns into a shower. So a beautiful head. Here's the forward port side berth. So bed up there. Another bunk right there. That's a quarter bunk. I believe this is a queen up here. Coming down through the hallway. Here's the galley. This is where I typically live all day long. Oh, timer's going off. Pasta is done. Okay. Well, while I'm getting the strainer, I might as well show you the galley. So lots of storage there. I'm about to vacuum, so that's why that's out. There's that way. Beautiful little window. So this is where the strainer is kept. A beautiful breakdown strainer. Put it in the kitchen, push it down. Those are wonderful for boats. And then I can put my pasta on there. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Here's the little off valve for the propane. Really nice and easy. Always turn it to off for safety reasons. Nope, I need two hands. The baby is sleeping, so shh, be quiet. Oh, good morning. You're awake. Hello. Okay. Your marine guys? Oh, is that all you care about? Okay, so while I'm getting the marine guys, here's the storage. Just some of it. There's so much. I've been keeping Reese's toys in here. Marine guys, get down. You're okay. Keep going. Good job. Here you go. All right, I need to go set the baby up.
What's up?
Hi.
I just came off shift.
Is it cold out there?
My toes are frozen.
Oh my.
Other than that, it's fine.
Is it warm in here?
Yes, nice in here.
I've been cooking pasta salad for tonight's dinner. Yeah.
I came to give you a little bit of manliness.
Are you gonna strip for me?
Yeah. What's up, dude? Good morning. Have a hug. I'm right there. Have a hug.
Check this out. We followed this boat as the captain tested to see if he'd fit under the bridge at high tide. He inched forward until the mast just touched the bridge, and then backed away like a pro.
He's backing up.
It was pretty impressive. How do you handle that? You just back away and wait until the tide lowers to the point where you can safely pass through.
Right as you touch.
Roger that. All right. Lazy Gecko sailing?
That's affirmative. LazyGeckoSailing@gmail.com.
Roger that. Is that the channel, the YouTube channel?
That's us. Hate the lights, man. That's pretty cool. So John, why'd you blow the head up this morning?
You know shit, right?
John went into the marina bathroom this morning and it looked like a bomb went off in there.
It wasn't me, man.
Yeah.
I'm traumatized from what I saw.
Yeah.
Wasn't any of us.
I don't know who does that kind of stuff, but I didn't even go in, but apparently he thinks they're gonna need a professional plumber to get that out.
There's some stuff you just can't unsee things like that.
Yeah, you gotta choose, you gotta make that choice. And
It's just like one glance. One glance I looked and I'm like, oh my God. Oh my God, what the? I'm out of here.
Thank goodness for the woman's head, huh?
Thank goodness. You women keep clean heads. Sorry about what us guys are doing to it this morning.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Do you know anything about these tanks?
What do you need to do anything about the tanks?
How big they are, aluminum?
Are they 50-gallon tanks, John?
Yes, 50
Yeah, 50 gallon.
Just wanted to talk to you about getting on some movie project.
Oh yeah.
I've been in a couple of movies actually.
So it's a 50-gallon aluminum tank?
The fuel tanks are.
Oh, what's the water tank?
I'm not sure. I think it's like 100 gallons.
100.
There's 2 of them, or there's 250, something like that. They're huge.
And the 2 fuel tanks are 50-gallon on each side,
Yeah.
and they're aluminum.
Yeah, and the starboard tank feeds the engine and the generator, and the port tank just feeds the engine. And you can tell the difference, but 40 horsepower engines, I believe, and they're sipping. They sip diesel, man. It's awesome.
So we stopped in Stuart, Florida at Loggerheads Marina. Beautiful, quiet marina. We had to fill up on water, get some fuel, throw out our trash, and it was really nice to take an unlimited water shower. So that was cool, and it's about 36 degrees outside when we woke up, still freezing. There's a cold front coming in, so we're all bundled up. And we're about to head on out of here. At least the sun's rising and hopefully it warms up. Oh, we're full. We are full on water. I almost got splashed.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the
I'll
other
just
side.
do this up.
Look at that fuel tank topped. Please, 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 please. Okay, first engine's on, we'll let that warm. Switch on. Clear prop. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, please, please. Oh, 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 yes. Here we go. Holy shit, it started from the helm button, just by accident.
Wow.
Oh, we're so cool right now.
I didn't know that you could do that with
It's never done that, not done.
You didn't rewire it? Like,
Yeah.
that's cool. Yeah. It's like almost 40 degrees out here. It's
Balmy.
There you go, man. Thank you.
Freezing. Trying to go with the wind.
That's the thrusters.
Like a 360 right there.
Please join us next time as we cruise further towards warm weather.
What's going on, man? Brittany at the controls, me on top of the sailbag with a beer. Doesn't get much better than this.
What?
Reese is pooping in the other head with the door wide open, like checking his foot out
Right there,
on
buddy.
the pooper.
You go poop.
And then there is the bottom gasket, which looks like, well, that thing that just fell into the bilge.
showers on board are amazing.
Making the bed while underway. Thank you, patrons, for making these videos possible. If you want more, even crazier footage, check out our Vimeo channel.